coach siya, nag-hire siya ng choreographer, best in the country in terms of contemporary dance. And yung choreography na yun, talagang pinag-aralan niya yun for days. So, hindi lang siya basta parang kung anong maisip mo on the day. No, like, he really prepared that piece.